Many English learners get confused between on the corner of and at the corner of. These phrases look very similar, but they describe different ideas. In this episode, we'll clearly understand how at the corner of is used and how it describes location, not surface contact. Welcome back to our prepositions and position words series. In the previous episode, we learned on the corner of, which is used when something touches a corner surface. Today, we'll focus on at the corner of, which is used to describe location near a corner, especially in streets and places. At the corner of means located near or around a corner, not touching it. It focuses on where something is situated, especially when talking about streets, buildings, or meeting points. For example, the grocery store is at the corner of Pine Street and Main Road. This tells us the store is located near the intersection, not physically attached to a corner surface. At the corner of describes location or area. On the corner of describes physical contact with a corner surface. Understanding this difference helps you choose the correct phrase naturally. When talking about streets, at the corner of is extremely common. For example, there is a traffic signal at the corner of the two roads. For buildings, we also use this phrase. He lives at the corner of the block, meaning his building is located near where streets meet. A common mistake is using on the corner of for locations. When you mean where a place is located, not surface contact, at the corner of is the correct choice. For example, the bus stop is at the corner of the street. Here, the bus stop is near the corner area, not attached to anything. To remember this easily, think of at as location. If something is located near a corner, especially outdoors, at the corner of is the right phrase. Now that the meaning is clear, let's move into real-life sentence examples. As we go through them, notice how at the corner of always describes where something is located, not what it is touching. Let's start with a very common city example. The cafe is at the corner of Oak Street and Hill Road. This clearly shows location near the intersection. Now, let's look at another everyday place. There is a pharmacy at the corner of the street. Again, the focus is location, not surface contact. Let's move to a public service example. A police officer is standing at the corner of the road. This means near the intersection area. Now consider an educational setting. The school is located at the corner of the avenue. This describes where the school is placed in the area. Let's look at a small business example. There's a newspaper stand at the corner of the street. Again, it refers to position, not attachment. Now notice this common scene. A food cart is parked at the corner of the road. The cart is located near the corner area. Let's move to road signs. There is a crossing at the corner of the street. This describes placement near the intersection. Now, imagine a city convenience. The ATM is at the corner of the road. Again, the phrase tells us where it is located. Let's look at a people-related example. He was waiting at the corner of the street. This means he was near the intersection. Finally, here's another clear example. The temple stands at the corner of the road. Once again, this describes location, not surface contact. Let's recap. At the corner of is used to describe location near a corner, especially streets, intersections, and buildings. It does not mean touching a corner surface. That's how we use the phrase at the corner of. It helps describe location clearly and naturally, especially outdoors. In the next episode, we'll learn in the corner of, which is used mainly for indoor spaces. Keep watching and continue mastering English.